What is the connection between OBP and ops in baseball? Imagine a batter stepping up to the plate with a plan to get on base and hit for power. How do we measure how well they do both? That's where on-base percentage and on-base plus slugging come into play. Let's break down how these stats connect and what they tell us about a player's offensive game. On-base percentage is a simple yet powerful stat. It shows how often a player reaches base safely per plate appearance. It includes hits, walks, and times hit by a pitch. It does not count reaching base because of errors or fielders' choices. So, if a player has an on-base percentage of .300, they reach base about 3 times in every 10 plate appearances. This stat highlights a player's ability to avoid making outs and stay in scoring position. Now, on-base plus slugging combines two important parts of hitting: the on-base percentage we just talked about, and slugging percentage. Slugging percentage measures how much power a player has by assigning different values to singles, doubles, triples, and home runs. It shows how many total bases a player gains per at-bat. Adding these two stats together gives us the on-base plus slugging score. This single number reflects both a player's ability to get on base and hit for extra bases. A higher number means a player is good at both reaching base and hitting for power. For example, a player with a high on-base percentage but low slugging might be very good at getting on base but not hitting many extra bases. Conversely, a player with a high slugging but low on-base percentage hits for power but does not reach base as often. The connection between the two stats is clear. On-base percentage is a key part of the on-base plus slugging. Without a good on-base percentage, even a powerful hitter might not score many runs. And without slugging, a player might get on base often but not contribute as much to scoring. Combining these stats gives a fuller picture of a player's offensive impact. This is why on-base plus slugging is so popular among fans and analysts. It shows how often a player gets on base and how well they hit for extra bases. Both of these actions help produce runs, which is the main goal in baseball. By understanding how on-base percentage and slugging work together, we can better appreciate the strengths of players from past and present. It helps us see who is truly valuable at the plate, not just in hits or home runs alone, but in overall offensive production.